Okay, another quick video, this time showing you how to remove the supports. It's fairly straightforward, but I just thought I'd do a quick video so people can see what's involved. So basically it's just using your side cutters, which you get with a printer, and snipping off the base section. This is how I prefer to do it anyway. Just be careful that you don't nick any of the parts of the print itself. And then where you've got delicate parts, like I said before, the barrel of the SMG, just be careful when you're taking those ones away. Like that. And then the rest of them you can just pull off. One thing to bear in mind is when you're putting the supports on your prints in the software, whichever you're using, not to get them near to the print job itself, because otherwise you'll find the supports become part of the print, which is not ideal. It just gives you more work to do cleaning up. The whole advantage about having a resin 3D printer like this is it saves you on the time needed to clean up models. There's no assembly required, obviously depending on the models that you're doing, but I try and do it so all the models are printed in one go, apart from turrets or things that need to move. Generally, because it's not been cured yet, the resin's fairly soft, and then you can just get a pair of pliers, not pliers, sorry, tweezers, and just pull off any loose bits. I suppose I should, in theory, still be wearing gloves, because this is it's got alcohol in it. But I was trying to get the video camera sorted, or the camera phone sorted. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but basically one of the supports has got too close to the boot, so it's actually attached. So it's just a case of trying to pry it away as much as possible. And that's pretty much for him. So he's ready to go in the curing station. I'll get the rest cleaned up, and then we'll see the next process.